Over the last 5 days, the Avalanche coin price shows several failed attempts to surpass the $21.60 level. The coin reverted from this resistance, indicating the sellers are aggressively defending this resistance level. Thus, with increasing bearish sentiment in the market, the coin price used the $21.60 resistance as the top ceiling for the formation of a double top pattern. The last reversal from the aforementioned resistance has tumbled the AVAX price 23.67% down to currently trade at $16.50. This downfall also provided a bearish breakdown from the $17.50 neckline support of the bearish pattern on March 3. If the altcoin shows suitability below the $17.50 support, the sellers may pull the prices 12.5% down to hit the $14.40 support. Technical indicators, Fibonacci retracement levels. The coin price hovering above 0.5 FIB level encourages a bullish pullback to retest the breached support of $17.50 as potential resistance. This retest opportunity could offer a short selling opportunity to interested traders. RSI, the daily RSI slope diving deeper into bearish territory indicates the increasing selling pressure in the market. Avalanche coin price intraday levels spot rate, $16.50, trend, bearish, volatility, medium, resistance levels, $17.50 and $19.1, support levels, $16.50 and $14.40.